Linda was a frequent visitor to the park, where she found solace in the vast expanse of blue sky and the vibrant colors of nature. One day, as she sat on a bench gazing upwards, she noticed something peculiar, a cloud that resembled a dog wagging its tail, and another that looked like a sheep grazing on a hillside. Linda couldn't help but chuckle at the whimsical sight, feeling grateful for the simple joys in life. As she continued her stroll through the park, Linda came across a group of ducks swimming in the pond. Their quacks echoed through the air as they eagerly awaited her offering of breadcrumbs. Linda smiled and tossed a handful of crumbs into the water, watching as the ducks darted under the surface to feast. It was moments like these that made her feel connected to nature and the creatures that inhabited it. As the sun began to set, casting a warm orange glow over the park, Linda found herself lost in thought. She reflected on the beauty of the world around her and how it had the power to uplift and inspire. The clouds continued to change shape, shifting from dogs and sheep to majestic birds and intricate patterns that seemed to dance across the sky. Linda's visit to the park ended as it always did, with a sense of peace and contentment. She left feeling grateful for the simple pleasures in life and eager to return again soon to continue her exploration of the natural world. What did Linda notice in the sky while sitting on a bench? Linda noticed clouds that resembled a dog wagging its tail and a sheep grazing on a hillside. What did Linda do as she strolled through the park? Linda came across a group of ducks swimming in the pond and tossed a handful of breadcrumbs into the water to feed them. What did Linda feel as she watched the ducks eat the breadcrumbs? Linda felt connected to nature and the creatures that inhabited it. How did the clouds continue to change shape as the sun set? The clouds shifted from dogs and sheep to majestic birds and intricate patterns that seemed to dance across the sky. How did Linda feel at the end of her visit to the park? Linda left the park feeling grateful for the simple pleasures in life and eager to return again soon to continue her exploration of the natural world.